What you see here is the Ion Film to SD Plus slide and negative scanner, and it comes with a 4 gig SD card. It's got a USB cable or power cable, and the SD card just goes right in the slot. It also comes with a video cable, and that's handy if you're going to be adjusting the contrast at all. This screen is okay, but you really want a nice one. But this is definitely not for professional use, and I will show you why. So here's the this is the slide scanner, or the slide holder, and you just put in a stack of slides, and it's got this arm that moves back and forth, or you have this negative holder. I used both. It's good for a consumer level, but the box said 14 megapixels, which is why I bought it. And this is not 14 megapixel resolution. I don't know what the resolution is. The file size was about 2 megabytes. Here's the problems that I have with it. First, I wish that there was some kind of fan or something that would be blowing onto filtered air onto the slide, because you get imperfections. So I'll go ahead and put this in. Okay, and then you slide this arm and it lines up the slide, as you can see on here. And then you can adjust the brightness and contrast. That's where connecting it to the TV is handy. But what I don't like is there's kind of a margin that gets cut off. So you have to decide how much of the slide you want. What parts. You're actually cropping it right there, and I don't like doing that at all. So you're losing, albeit a fraction. I like the full image. That's the way I took the photo. I want it the way I took it. Or I'd rather do it in post. But you just push this button on the top, and it saves the file. And then you just slide this back, slide the slide the slide over, and then the old one pops out. It's a similar process with the negatives, and I had that same problem where you're kind of moving it around to crop it. I wish it would have done a full image. So my gripes are it's not very intuitive as far as how much frame you want to see. I want the whole negative, and I want the whole slide. Also, I wish it had a better way to clean it, and it is not 14 megapixels as described, or it's not what I would consider 14 megapixels. I consider 14 megapixels to be very high resolution, and this was not. But at $100, that's what you're getting. Very lightweight. You can connect this directly to your computer, but it does have to have the USB or the SD card in there, and then there's a USB cable. So about $100, $120. You can get it online at Best Buy, but I will not be keeping this one. Hope that helps, and thanks for watching.